Hi, this is Around the House with Kay and Tom. Today I am going to fix some venison meatloaf. A little strange. We're going to use a pound of venison meat, 1 egg, a cup of breadcrumbs, a cup of milk, and we're going to use 2 tablespoonfuls of ranch dressing. You can use a pack of ranch dressing, but a pack of dry ranch dressing is equals to 2 tablespoonfuls if you don't have the packet, which I don't have today. So we will get started right quick. This is from North Carolina, venison meat. My son is a deer hunter, and this happens to be his next door neighbor. They went hunting and they got a deer. So we were just gonna, it's mashed up, this has been ground up real good, which is good. Makes it easier for me. We have 1 egg. This is really a quick and easy meatloaf. 1 cup of breadcrumbs. Let's get that mixed up just a little bit. You need to have your oven set on 350. I happen to have mine preheated. I'm just trying to mix in the breadcrumbs real good right quick. And you need 2 tablespoonfuls of ranch dressing, a cup of milk. Just make sure you got all of this mixed in real good. Watch my channel, you'll know that I cook very little with salt, so I'll wait and salt this whenever I get through. A 1/3 cup of ketchup on top when we get it in the dish, but I am going to put just a little bit of ketchup and mix it in, so there'll be a little bit of ketchup in the meatloaf too. And someone's going to say, well, how much ketchup did you use in your meatloaf? Not very much, just squirt some in there. You can cook it in a tube pan, or you can fix it in anything that you've got. I'm actually going to spray it down just a little bit so my sides don't stick so bad. You can make it in 1 big loaf, or you can make it, I'm going to make mine in just 2 little loaves, because I'll wind up probably freezing 1 loaf. And this is so easy to make into a loaf. You just put it in your hand and just roll it around a little bit. There you have 2 loaves. And we're going to use a 1/3 cup of ketchup on top of it. Just a little bit more. And all you need to do is just spread it on top of them. Now I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil for the first 30 minutes. And then we'll take off the aluminum foil and see how done it is. And then all we got to do then is let it cook for maybe 15 more minutes after we take the foil off, and we should have dinner ready. So what we'll now do now is put it in our oven. I am going to cook this in my Ninja XL oven because it's just quick and easy for me to do that. But your oven, just our normal oven, is fine at 350. Or I have now got it set on bake. I've got it set on 350, and our time, we're going to put it up to 30 minutes. And we're going to say start. Check it again in 30 minutes. I am sure when somebody makes it, they're going to say, oh, she didn't put the ranch dressing in it. The ranch dressing was already in it. The person that made that ground up the deer meat, they like ranch dressing and a lot of stuff, and they had already put the 2 tablespoonfuls of ranch dressing before they ever froze it. So it does have 2 tablespoonfuls of ranch dressing, or you can use a packet of the dry dressing in it. So it is there. Okay, my oven has just beeped and told me that it's been cooking for 30 minutes. Let's see what we've got. Well, it's looking good. So I'm going to put it back in there for 30 more minutes, but this time I'm going to leave the paper off the top. The paper really, the aluminum foil just really helps it from burning on top. So let's put it back in there for 30 more minutes. Okay, my oven beeped, said that it had been cooking for another 30 minutes. My temperature should be somewhere right around 170, somewhere in there. Okay. Well, it is definitely done. So we're going to let it cool for just a moment, and I'll come back and we will give it a try. Well, it is definitely done, and this is venison meatloaf. Around the House with Kay and Tom. Please join my channel, subscribe, give me your comments, and I will just come back again with something else. Have a good day.